Namaskar, welcome to Tasty Town Recipes. Today I am preparing bakery style masala cornflakes, which is the best finger snacks for everyone. These flakes can also used on chaats toppings. At first, I am preparing masala powder. In a heavy bottom pan, fry 1 cup curry leaves with 1 tablespoon coconut oil. After it's cooled down, grind it in a mixer jar. It comes around 1 tablespoon curry leaves powder. Now add half tablespoon brown sugar, half tablespoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon Asafoetida or hing, 1 teaspoon Himalayan pink salt and 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder. Grind it in a mixer jar. Our masala powder is ready to use. By the way, if you are new to my channel, hit the subscribe button below. I am taking 2 cups of corn poha and coconut oil for deep frying. Coconut oil frying gives excellent taste to these flakes. Oil is hot now. Coconut oil changed its color because of the high heat. Always fry the corn poha in a small batches because while frying, poha will multiply its size and keep the flame at medium heat. At first, place all cornflakes on the paper napkin to absorb its external oil. But we must need to mix masala while cornflakes are hot. Pour all fried cornflakes into the mixing bowl. As per your requirement, add all masala powders. Here I am adding 1 teaspoon Kashmirilal mirch, 1 teaspoon brown sugar powder, 1 teaspoon curry leaf masala, 1/8 teaspoon turmeric, 1/8 teaspoon hing or Asafoetida, half teaspoon Himalayan pink salt. Mix it with spoon or by hand. Tastier bakery style masala cornflakes are ready to eat. I like to add on top fried curry leaves. It will give external flavors to the cornflakes. Store it in an airtight container for future use. Try it out today and do let me know in the comment box. Subscribe my channel for more healthier recipes. Thank you.